This is lesson 3.8 in our Go Math practice book. We're on page 67, and today we are reviewing using drawings to represent problems. In our last Go Math lesson, we used bar models to solve word problems, and we're going to do that again today. So it says complete the bar model, then write a number sentence to solve. Sarah has 4 yellow beads and 3 green beads. How many beads does Sarah have? I can see that I have the 2 parts here, but I do not have the whole. So you need to write the number sentence to help you solve that. Put your answer here and here. Adam had 12 trucks. He gave 4 trucks to Ed. How many trucks does Adam have now? In this one, I do have the whole. I do have the total, and I have one of the parts, but I don't have the other part. What number needs to go in here to make this bar be equal to 12? Write the number sentence that you will use to solve that and put your answer here and in the bar model. Number 3, Grandma has 14 red roses and 7 pink roses. How many more red roses than pink roses does she have? There's that how many more question. What does that tell you to do? So over here looking at my bar, this is a whole bar, 14, and I'm going to compare that to the number 7. She has 14 red roses and 7 pink roses. How many more would I need to have in this bar to make both bars be equal to 14? That's what we're looking for. So what do you do when it says how many more? You need to write your number sentence and then put your answer here and here. Turn your paper over, and we're doing another bar model. Abby has 16 grapes. Jason has 9 grapes. How many more grapes does Abby have than Jason? And again, we have how many more. What does that tell you to do? So we have a full bar right here, 16, and we're going to compare that to 9. How many more would we need in this bar so that they would both be equal to 16? What do you do when it says how many more? I know they don't give you a line, but you need to write a number sentence here that shows how you will solve this. Write your answer on the line and fill in the dot. Number 2, which has the same difference as 16 minus 7? Now before you can answer that, you have to know what is 16 minus 7. So come over here to the side and figure that out. 16 minus 7, and write your answer here, and then come down below and find which one of these would be equal to the same amount. Number 3, what is the difference? 18 minus 9, you're just going to subtract. Number 4, which is another way to write 300 plus 20 plus 5? Which one of these would be equal to 300 plus 20 plus 5? And number 5, what is the value of the underlined digit? Our number is 28. They've underlined the 2. What's the value of that 2? When you have completed all of those, your assignment is done.